All right, back a little bit for some more. And let's see. Okay, there's my measuring. Let's see. Get close to the end. Right at 7 inches, close to 7 inches on the ruler for the. What's over there? For the antenna. And I did do some research online. The Retavis website says that this model of radio, currently running a little over $225 in the US, this radio also claims to be 10 watts. Like I said, the manual does not say that it says a 5-watt max. So there's some discrepancy there. I'm unsure where that's coming from, if that's a different model of the HD2 or just this one. And going back to this radio, I did get a jump start on this, which I'll show you in another video. But the Retavis software and the USB cable driver I did obtain online. Those were obtained on the Retavis website, and I will say that my AVG virus scan did flag the USB driver for the cable as being potential spyware or having some sort of malware installed in it. So I did not install that. I'm going to wait until I plug the cable in and let it automatically download or try and see if the virus scan also grabs that as an issue.